Oh, this next one, I got to give a shout out, Will. This company, Spira. So a while back, and you claim to know nothing about it, but a while back, this company sent us what at the time they were referring to as the greatest water gun of all time, period.
Water gun?
Yes.
Oh.
Water gun. And the box was sitting there for a little while, and I didn't know what it was. And we just get so many products. So I got to apologize to the company because I never saw it. But my kids got their hands on it, and this thing is cool. Actually, what we had was a kit with 2 of the original Spira guns in it. And this is a powered water gun, which you fill up from the front nozzle in any bucket or pool. It has a pump in it, and it fills up the entire chamber. Then you have this kind of like rapid fire, but it's powered. So there's no pumping, no nothing. Tat, 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 tat. Or you can hold the trigger and it will create like a super shot. So it will do 3 shots in one. It'll like, and you'll see the meter going down as it's filling up, and then you'll release, and it'll be like a mini hose for a second. So I gotta give a shout out. Go check out Spira because it never made it on Unbox Therapy, and it is actually as cool as they were saying it was in the Kickstarter.
Oh, okay.
Now the Spira 1, it was it had the gauge on it, digital ammo gauge. It had a self-pressurizing tank and a battery that you charge over USB Type-C as well. And you can see how easy it is to fill. That's the biggest trouble with water guns.
Yes.
Is constantly filling it up. This one, you just poke it into any water source and blam, you're firing. Now, the Spira 2, now, by the way, it's not cheap. I should tell you this right now. The original one was $133. I think the new one is like $150. So it's not cheap, but it is a lot of fun. The new one is going to be, $159, and it will be an even bigger blast. It will shoot 46 feet, aiming at a 45-degree angle. And I'm telling you, Will, if I hit you with that in the leg, you're going to feel it. At a particular range, I'm going to pop.
Oh.
You're going to feel it. I might have to bring it in. That's the Spira 1, but they got this number 2 coming out.
Cool.
And they improved it, pretty much every aspect of it. So if you scroll down, you'll see a comparison chart from the first one to the second one. Actually, I think you went past it. It's up there a little bit more.
Yeah, I noticed that it had a digital gauge, percentage of the water inside.
Yes. So
that's kind of cool.
It will tell you how many blasts you have. Now, I noticed the capacity went down a little bit. So Spira 1 was 25 blasts. Spira 2 is 20 blasts. The priming speed, this is big, between shots goes down to 1.1 seconds from 1.5. The range goes up to 30 feet from 25, or with the boost mode, a maximum range of 46 from 40. So a 6-foot improvement. A faster refill, 12 seconds instead of 14. The blast size remains the same. The tank size goes down. That's why your blasts go down. I presume they did this because of weight. It's a pretty big device at the moment. The battery life also saw an improvement, so maybe they put some extra room in there for battery. And it's another thing you have to monitor. On a full charge, how many blasts do you get? And on the new one, it's up to 2,000 individual blasts from 1125. So they saw an improvement over there as well. It's going to cost $159. Man, with the summertime and the water fight, I don't know if you want to get it as a gift. I don't even know. They might be sold out right now. But my kids were having an absolute blast with the first one.
Nice.
So I just want to say thank you to them for sending that over, because maybe I'll bring it on this show, actually, as well.
Okay.
I'll snag one of them back, and I'll bring it on this show, and I'll show you.
All right.
And you can feel it. Let me know if it's powerful or not.
Shoot my leg.
Yeah, that's right.